Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Discover Apps with me. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make your own sound on your TikTok videos. All of you have a question in mind that how can we add our own sound on our TikTok videos. For this, you have to simple click on the plus icon and record. There you can see that your video is recorded. Now you can see at the top option of add song or add sound. You have to click on it. There you can see the option of voice effects or voiceover. You have to simple click on the voiceover and you have to simple press on. In this way you can add your own voice to your TikTok videos. But how can you add your voice to your existing videos on your gallery? For example, I have selected. Now I have to click on plus icon and now I have to click on the upload icon. Click on it. There you can see random videos. For example, I want this video. I have to click on it. Now you can see the option of voice effect or voiceover in the same way as we have seen before. Now you have to uncheck the keep original sound. Now the original sound of your video is removed. Now you have to long video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.